sa inyo paano ko i-prepare ang pagkain ng aming mga alaga. Dahil dalawa sila, kailangan natin ng dalawang bowl. Ito naman yung vitamins nila. At saka ito naman yung kanilang Megaderm. Ito yung ang Megaderm ay coconut oil ito. Ito yung vitamins nila. Ito yung glucosamine para pang strong ng mga bones nila. So, every morning, tatlong beses kumakain yung aso namin sa isang araw. So, dahil tatlong beses silang kumain, every morning, bawat meal nila, naglalagay kami ng isang scoop na good food. Ang good food nila ay wellness, grain-free, protein-rich nutritions. At dadagdagan natin ng tag-isang kutsarang kalabasa. Yan, guys. Yan. Para mix siya. Yan. At saka, isang teaspoon na glucosamine bawat sa kanila. Umaga at hapon. At saka naman, lagyan natin ng Megaderm. Ang Megaderm, mainam ito yung Megaderm, guys. Megaderm, maganda ito para pampashine ng kanilang mga buhok at hindi sila magko-constipate. Kasi na-try ko, nag-experiment kami. Kung hindi namin nilalagyan ng Megaderm, yung kanilang food, constipated sila. At saka kung kung pure naman dog food yung kinakain nila, gayon din constipated sila. So kailangan naming i-mix ng kalabasa ang kanilang meal. So tagi-isang teaspoon sila na Megaderm umaga at hapon. Pero sa tanghali, kalabasa lang at saka dog food. At umaga at hapon, yung isang sachet na Megaderm, paghahatian nilang dalawa. Ganyan. So, mainam ito para hindi sila magko-constipate at saka magiging shiny yung mga buhok nila. So, yan. Ready na yung pagkain nila. Tatawagin na natin sila. Basta, ito yung Megaderm, guys. Kung gusto niyo gagamit kayo dito para sa mga aso ninyo para maging shine yung buhok nila. At saka ito yung glucosamine pang strong ng bones nila. Kasi yung food nila maganda ito. Kaya lang maganda din ang presyo. Hi mga labs! Come here! Your meal time. Come on, loves! Come on, my loves! Oh, where are you? You're not hungry yet? Come over. That's yours. And you, little blind. And you, little blind grandma, here is your meal. Oh, your hair. Here. Can't see. Oh, here. Don't put your hair in the bowl. See? They're eating. They're your favorite. Glucosamine maybe tastes good. It will make them food so tasty for them. Okay, finish your food, girl. And Matt. Finish? Not yet? Oh, you're so takaw. You're so takaw. You eat so fast. Enough, boy. Enough, boy. It's not good for you to eat too much. You're getting fatter and fatter. You don't have to be fat. You stay fit, okay? Done? No more. Here, one more. Oh, you can see. Finish. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Finish? Oh. Is it hard? Hmm? It's okay. It's okay. No more. Enough. That's enough. Not too much. So we're not getting fat. Yan lang po.